severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In effect from 6 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening.
It's just a watch. It's not a warning yet, so we're good.